Hello, hello guys, big up on yourself now man, as it Dex Media. Yeah man, a one media, as it people. So right now we are doing next video. A long time we not doing a video. But me I try something different today. As it, yeah. So just stick around to the video. Today me I do some cleaning up. Just say I clean up there. Me I clean up my shoes them. So if you're interested in a content like this, remember to like, share and subscribe. As it? Yeah man. Outside Dex Media. Alright, see it there guys. Me have my clocks right there, so dirty up. So I give that a wash. That's one I think then we get wash. Also guys, my phone drop. Get a blow drop there. A good thing say they in a case. Alright guys, look here now. I have my shoes them right there, so see there? I have my next clocks. See there? So one of them uppers type of clocks there. Yeah, I don't know. When I comment what type of clocks that is. I may have my Air Force right there, so. Or Jordan, I don't know. I have your Reebok Classic right here. So everything want wash. So we are wash up all of them here today, is it? Yeah man. Today I washing there. See the guys, me have my clean water right here, so you know. Yeah man, no joke about the water. Yeah. So I'm gonna stick around to the video, see you know, yeah? Like, share and subscribe. I think the clock's more easier to clean. So I'm gonna clean the clocks first.
You don't know the sir you can card with Videographyer next media. Good luck.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go and watch the video, see you, is it? Yeah man, let's go and stick around to the video, see you, is it? Alright, so there, so as me telling you earlier, see clocks, yeah. See clocks, yeah. Clocks the right, so. So I extra lace with the get with the clocks, you see it? I two of them me get. But me never actually use the extra lace. Me just have it on as a style. You see it? But me gonna get a proper wash to the people, you see it? Proper wash. You see it? I'm gonna get a rag and a brush. Alright people, so I have my soap, my rag, yeah, I have everything on. See there? Everything I have now. So I put some soap in the water, you know, and soap it up. And the soap good for your leather boot though. I'm gonna Google it. Hey Siri, does soap can wash my leather boot?
I found this on the web.
Hey Siri, what's best to use to clean your nugget suede? No. Hey Siri, Can soap used to clean leather material?
I found this on the web.
It depends on the leather. If there's lots of different kinds, you can make a good guess from the color of the piece. If it's a colored leather and has a smooth gloss surface, the answer probably qualifies. Colored leather usually have a black plastic finish. Wipe the hair off with damp soap water and dry out with dry soft right away. After that, let it dry for a while. No, you will be absolutely ruin it if you wash it. Take it to a leather cleaner if it's worth saving. There are many same suggestions. I'm not sure if it can be used, so I'm not gonna use any soap on it, or I'm gonna use a little bit of soap. I'm not gonna use much. This shoes is very dirty, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. So I'm gonna use the soap to clean the cheese. Yeah, be careful because you don't want the brush, the leather. Okay, it will cut it up. Yeah, it would spoil up the leather if you allow that. part here hard for wash though. Part on the part here rough for wash. Rough. Where the cheese from. See there guys, this look like a wash. Just want rinse off, you know. I mean I want the soap water for the pan either, so it best me wash it off quick as fast, soon as possible. Alright guys, so I'm gonna come back again, you see it? See there, rinse them off. Rinse them off with some fresh water, you see it? They say this clock is genuine leather. Yeah. But it's not so good to keep in the sun though, is it? So I'm wondering how it's gonna dry. But then say if you put it in the fridge, it the cheese can get harder. So I think I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Alright, so this look like a up here now. I'm gonna kind of put it to dry, but I don't really like to put it in the sun. But I'm gonna put it to dry. Alright, so I need to wash this one now.
Yeah, man, siempre, siempre. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's there.
That one here not, for some reason, that one here not that dirty. That one here not that dirty though. Yeah, that one here kinda cleaner. The reason why I wash the clocks first, because the clocks easier to wash. You see it, yeah, the clocks not hard like the other shoes. The other shoes ain't harder to wash. Yeah, the clocks not really take a lot of washing. So I care my clocks, people. So, not that hard to wash. I'm gonna wash this lace now, but I don't even know how to wash this lace. This lace is gonna be so hard to wash. I think it's best I don't even use but this lace. It's so easy to dirty up. But I think they wear this lace as a style. Yeah, style and wear it as. I'm gonna see how best I can get it back to come back to do. I like have my lace on it. The extra lace. Yeah, I love having it on it. It gives the clocks a little style. Yeah, the lace thing you put on it. It's the thing about this, you know. You have this is a bank robber. See there, a bank robber. That's what they call the shoes here, a bank robber. That's true, the tag of a bank robber thing on it. Why them people are not easy. And this is the Clark's logo. See there? Tag thing. Original Clark's. Alright guys, so the lace, well nice, you know. Lace then wash. I think I have an extra lace that I need to wash. I'm gonna look for it. So give me a second, I'll be right back. So me have 2 extra lace. So I'm gonna wash down here too. So I'm gonna put the lace down for dry. I'm gonna pin it up on the line for them to dry. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wash something else now. I have another clocks. I'm gonna wash the other clocks now. So this is the next spear. This is the next spear. That one here not so dirty as the other one. I don't really wear this one that much. After I get this, it's tight. Yeah, it's not my right size. But it'll take time to stretch now still, so kinda I get used to it now, you see it? Yeah. Alright, so this one done wash already, you see? So this wash and clean. And nice. This is the whopper now, guys. This is the hard one to wash. These are the white pairs of shoes. Yeah, this not gonna say easy. So maybe I'm gonna have to change the water. Get some fresh water for wash these. Do you see it? Yeah, people. So right now I go change the water, you see it? I can use the same water I use with the dirty shoes them for these white shoes. So that's the pre now to change the water, you see it? Alright people. So right now I go wash the white shoes. So I change up the ball game now, you see it? Soap, as I can see a soap my draw for. I want the white shoes to come out fresh and nice. You see it? I'm gonna wash these first. What I'm using, wash them. Oh, the sun is getting hot right here. I'm gonna reposition. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna deal with the shoes now. As I'm so gone. I just come out of the sun a while, you see it? I'm gonna sun me dry. You guys, this is the update on the video, is it? So, me actually just put the Air Force to dry, is it? So, I'm show you how I go on feet. How it looking so far? Looking clean. Is it looking so clean and nice, right? Yeah, it look fresh and all and thing though. So I'm just put it for dry. I know so you're not dry for the rest. You're not gonna dry right now. That'll take some time for dry.
You don't know the Sarah Chicken Carpet, Videographyer Media. Keep it locked.